What's going on, guys? It's Jake again. Got another project I want to show you. This one's pretty cool. I know I usually show you guys lighting, but I got something a little different this time. So in the bay we have a 2025 Ford Maverick. It's just their smaller version truck. Customer wanted a little bit more bass, so this one came with the B&O sound system. Sounds good, just doesn't have that little extra punch that he's looking for. So what I got going on is underneath the rear seat there is plenty of storage. So what we did, JL Stealthbox, specifically designed for the Maverick, with the JL matching amplifier that we built a little trim to kind of make it look like it belongs in the truck. The tremors have, or at least this one, I'm not sure about the other ones, but kind of like that goldish, kind of bronze, maybe copper kind of look. Same thing with the stitching. So we put a little bit of, as close as we can get, little just kind of bronze, kind of goldish, kind of oranges, kind of accent around it with the gloss black accent as well. And then we just use the black vinyl to kind of flush it in. And then on that side, let me show you. I'll get a little bit more light in, I'm sure. And again, this is the Stealthbox by JL. It is a 10-inch woofer. I believe it's rated for like 350 to 400 watts of power. That is a 500.1 amplifier. You know, we just got it adjusted accordingly to kind of made up with this subwoofer perfectly. This, if you want my suggestion, if you're looking for a little extra bass but you're not looking for like a window shaker, this little guy will do it. More of like a sound quality subwoofer. It's definitely not a subwoofer that's going to get your hair moving, but it is a subwoofer that you can pack away under the seat. It's going to stay there. It's not going to move around. You don't have anything, you know, bulging out by the feet or up on the seat. It's all hidden away, and this will give you a nice sound quality thump. If you got any questions on this build, let me know. I think I kind of covered everything. It was pretty straightforward. We did unhook the factory B&O subwoofer that is going directly into a WaveTech line out converter, which is then going to the amp, and then so on and so on. So if you got any questions on anything, let us know. Till next time, see you.